Namaste, everyone. This is a quick practice. Make sure you're breathing. Take savasana if you need it. At the end of the class, warm up if you need to. I'll see you on the mat. Thank you. Hey, everyone. Thank you for joining me in this quick, short practice. You like. So, let's come onto the hands and knees. Tabletop. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Crawl the toes under, lift into your downward facing dog. Left leg outside of the left hand. Coming into your lizard pose here. Knee over ankle. Lengthen the spine. Breathe in and out. Dropping your right leg. Inhale, rising up into warrior two. Relax the shoulder, draw your navel in. Cartwheel the hands to the mat. Left hand reach up, extend. Open the chest, knee over ankle. Exhale the left leg to the right side plank. Left hand down, triple chaturanga dandasana. 1, 2, 3. Up dog. Bring your knee to the mat. Bend the right leg behind the left. While thin, open. Coming back into your up dog. Left leg, bend to the right side, while thin, open. Coming back into your downward facing dog. Right leg, right hand, lizard pose. Lengthen the spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop in the left leg. Inhale, lift on a warrior two. Relax the shoulder. Draw your belly in. Exhale the hands to the mat. Left hand stays. Take the left leg back. Inhale, right hand reach up. Open the chest. Push into the left hand. As you exhale, left leg, right leg, left leg to right leg. Open side plank. Right hand down. Yogi push up. 3 times. Last one. Up dog. Downward dog. Bend the knee, jump forward into Malasana. Open the chest. Finding your shoulder. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Open. Take the left leg back. Warrior two. Open up into Skandasana. Finding your breath. And then bring your hand to frame the front foot. Dropping your left leg in, right leg straight. Lengthen the spine. Hands reach up. Fold over to the right leg. Lengthen the spine. Rib cage in. Notice your back leg. Lengthen. Inhale. Bring yourself all the way up. And then bring your hands back to the heart. Lift that left knee. Inhale, coming back. Skandasana. Bring your right foot on the mat. And coming back into warrior two. Point your right toes. Finding your length. Pivot on the ball of the left leg. Bend the right leg. Inhale, warrior two. Facing the back of the room. Relax the shoulder. Breathe in and out. Navel in. Straighten the right leg and lean over to the left knee. Bend the left knee. Skandasana. Smile. Breathe in and place the right hand and left hand to frame the front foot. Left leg is taut, lengthen, reach the hands overhead, release the index finger. Lengthen, hinge from the hip, maybe catch your toes or walk the hands forward. Look forward to lengthen, back of the knee on the mat. Straighten the leg as much as you can. Lengthen the spine. Continue to lengthen here. Inhale, take your time, feel your body. Breathe in and exhale. Inhale, push into that left leg and bring yourself back into Skandasana. And we straighten the legs and come into a wide-legged straddle. Align your legs and then exhale, hinge from the hip, forward fold. You can bring your forearm on the mat, relax the head, interlace the hand overhead, over your back body, and draw the knuckles down. Again, a good way to release the shoulder. You can use a block here, and if you have it, you can stay there or take a tripod headstand. Start with the leg up and wide and maybe reach the legs together. Find your body in space. Breathe in and out. And when you have it, come back the same way you went in. Straighten the leg, open the leg, and bring it to the mat. Now, inhale, take your time, look forward to lengthen. Adjust your leg if you need it, and thread and lift the left hand up. Look at the left hand open and switch the thread of the hand. Right hand, reach open the chest, finding the twist coming from the lower belly. Exhale, release the left hand, and then inhale, roll yourself up. Jump, change your legs together. Hands by the side, mountain pose. Make sure you're breathing in and out. Now, open your legs, point your toes out, finding your hands in Katki's arm. We're going to bend the knee and draw the hip down. We do 5 of these. So commit. Really do them slowly or fast. You decide how you're feeling, but listen to your body. The elbow is 90 degrees, shoulder away from the ears. Bring the hands on the knee, lift the heel. Draw your belly in and roll over to the right side, finding the twist there. Opening the knee and roll over to the right side rather, and draw the heels down. Place the hand on the mat, finding Malasana. Noticing your breath, and then straighten the legs. Feel your body, noticing what feels good. Bring that left knee on the mat, right knee bent for low lunge. Reach the hands up and take it into a low twist. The right hand wraps around the left leg, and then inhale. Bring the right leg to meet with the left. We do the same thing on the left. Left knee is bent. Inhale, hands reach up, and then bring the right hand across. Draw your belly in. Again, maintain your balance. If you fall, it's okay. But really find your core here. Drawing the shoulders down. Place the hand down and sit on the left heel. Straighten the right leg. Lengthen. Maybe you lay yourself flat on that left leg. Make sure your toes are pointing forward. Bend the left leg, bring the right leg to it, and we switch. Left knee on the mat, sit towards the left heel, straighten the right leg. You can release the top of the left leg, or you can tuck the left leg under. Continue to look forward, find where you're comfortable, then inhale, roll forward, and bring the left leg to meet with the right. Sit down. And then find yourself laying on the mat, bend the knee for bridge pose. Interlace the hand, draw the shoulders down, draw the knuckles down. Back of the neck is on the mat. Maybe you stay here or you take it into wheel. You can walk to straighten your legs in the wheel pose, a bit more challenging. But wherever you are, honoring your body. Remember to breathe in and out. And slowly bring your head on the mat, back on the mat, and hug your knee. Allow your back to settle here before we go into happy baby. So catching the legs, you can straighten the legs in the happy baby, or you can keep them bent. Again, your back is on the mat, and when you have it, rock yourself forward and bring the sole of the feet together. Breathe in and out. Come into Sutta Baddha Konasana. Noticing where you are. Straighten the legs again. Again, just showing you that your back is on the mat, legs are straight, pushing your toes towards the earth. Lengthen the back of the knee. It's a good way to open the hip. If you cannot do it this way, you can lay down on the mat and straighten the leg in a wide-legged straddle. Bend the knee. Breathe in. Catch the instep of your leg. Noticing whether you have any more to stretch out the knee, stretch out the hamstring. When you have it, rock yourself forward and come into Sutta Baddha Konasana for a moment, and then straighten the leg. Again, different way to do it. Lift your chest, lift your heart. A little smile goes a long way. Bring the hands in Namaskar. Challenge your legs to stay up. Challenging core engage. And then slowly bring your leg on the mat. Finally, we're in Sutta Baddha Konasana. Bring the legs together. Feel your hip. Are they more open? And then maybe pad your knees down here. Lengthen the spine. You can start to hinge forward. Again, here you want to look forward. You can start to bring your forearm over the shin. Maybe you bring your head to your legs. This is a challenging pose. Is to open the hips. Again, you're not pulling from the back. When you have it, take a big breath in and come into frog. So the back of the legs are back, knees bent. You can really put a block or a bolster underneath your knee. So think about your favorite frog if you have any. Again, it's a great way to open the hip after sitting down. The legs are about 90 degrees. Lengthen the spine. Breathe in and out. Start to soften your shoulder. You can lay your chest on the mat if you have the flexibility. But again, don't force yourself into this pose. If you have bad knee, listen to your body. Breathe in and out. Start to soften everywhere. Noticing how this short practice works for you. And when you have it, slowly and mindfully, you can widen up a bit if you created more space. Noticing how you feel. You can bring your hands and chest on the mat. So think as if I've come on your lower back, and your back, there is no wrinkle on your back. Again, smiling here is a great way to release any tension on the hip, and slowly and mindfully. Can you sit towards your heels, bringing the legs in the back together? Again, very tough pose. Bring the hands in Namaskar. And then when you have it, mindfully come into Malasana for a moment. Stretch your hands forward. Release the inner groin. Breathe in and out. Slowly bring yourself to seated. Eyes is closed or open. Bring the hands to rest on top of the knee. Easy pose. Take Shavasana. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Namaste. Thank you.